MLB Network is your exclusive home for postseason baseball. It's Game 3 of the American League Division Series between the Tampa Bay Rays and the Houston Astros. Hi again, everybody. Matt Vasgersian welcoming you to our exclusive postseason coverage on MLB Network. With me is Mark DeRosa and Dan Plesac. And Dan, lots to talk about here as we get ready for Game 3.
For my money, there's nothing better than postseason baseball. Every game is critical, and one swing, one error.
Home side about to take the field. This place is jumping. Here's public address announcer Alex Miniak.
And now, your 2019 Houston Astros.
Quickly now, we'll look at the two guys who'll get the ball here in Game 3. And here's the starting lineup for the visiting Tampa Bay Rays. Who's the one to watch, Dan?
Well, I'll keep an eye on the leadoff guy and see what he can do in this one. He doesn't let the pressure of the big moment get to him. I love watching this guy hit in clutch situations. It's like he takes a deep breath and everything stops in front of him. He plays like the Zen man.
Garrett Cole will do the pitching in Game 3 of the series. What do you have for us on him, Danny?
Matt, I'm a big fan of Garrett Cole. Big, strong guy. Former first-round draft pick out of UCLA. 96 to 98 miles an hour with sink. Hard slider. His changeup has gotten better the longer he's pitched. He has a chance to be a no-hit type of pitcher every time he takes the mound.
Time for a look at the Astros on D. And guys, what I want you to focus on today is this is one of the new age teams in the game that really rely on statistics and the numbers. And the numbers tell them that they're a better team defensively, moving guys around and shifting as much as they can.
And that'll bring in Yandy Diaz. He'll get us started in this one under the lights.
Yandy Diaz.
Here comes the first pitch. Hit the other way out toward right field. Therefore, it is the Gold Glover Reddick, and he's got it one away.
Batting second, the designated hitter, Austin Meadows.
So the base is empty here with one away, and Austin Meadows will be the next to bat. First pitch coming. Here it is. And that misses, ball one. And set up working the plate is Matthew Ross, as you see the rest of the umpiring crew there.
Hey, D-Row, this is a pitcher's best friend. Matthew Ross, very wide strike zone.
Yeah, no excuses from the offense today. You know coming in when you see the lineup card and Matt Ross is behind the dish, you better be aggressive.
Third, the left fielder, number 29, Tommy Pham.
So bases are empty here with two gone. And up next, it'll be the outfielder, Tommy Pham. And a high strike to begin the at-bat. It's 0-1.
Wow, there's a pitch right there that this guy would like to have back. Very rarely you see a pitcher of this quality throw one right down the middle, and boy, he took that one. He'd like to have that one back and be able to take a good hack at that pitch.
A swing and a miss as he chased with two strikes, and that will retire the side. Down in order go the Rays. And now the Astros will go to work for the first time. No score. Time now for a quick look at the hometown Astros starting lineup. Mark, what do you have on this group in front of the home crowd tonight?
Matty, you take a look at this lineup. I find myself thinking back to my playing days when I knew I had the ace on the mound. It had to be win day, and when you get in a car to drive to the yard, you tell yourself, even though you felt bad about it, just get 2 or 3. All the pressure's on the big boy to have to execute, and he usually does. Look for this lineup to try and execute and score, manufacture 1 or 2 runs early in this one.
Into the box now, George Springer. He'll lead things off here in the bottom half of the first.
George Springer.
First offering on its way. well behind that fastball. It's a swinging strike. Hit high and deep to straightaway right field. Back goes Garcia, still going back. And this ball is gone. No chance to make a play on that one. A solo home run here off the bat of George Springer. His first homer here in the series, and the Astros take a 1-0 lead.
Well, they were smart not to challenge him with a fastball, but it didn't matter. He's their big dog for a reason, so he waited, stayed back, and absolutely exploded through the zone on that one.
So the bases are clear now following the home run. And that'll bring forth the power-speed combination, Jose Altuve. Ready to deliver. Here's the first pitch. No balls and 1 strike.
That fastball must have a little late life on it, because that was right in the wheelhouse, and he still wasn't able to get good wood on it.
Into the windup. Here comes the 0-1. Hit back up the middle. Adames scoops it up. And the throw here is in time. Very nicely done there at short for the first out. Well, it certainly was a bang-bang play, so no surprise here that they're giving it another look, and they may decide to challenge the call on the field.
Yeah, definitely one of those bang-bang plays. And looking at it right here again, I still don't know if I can tell for sure. Going to be interesting to see what they decide to do here.
So here's the signal from the bench, and they will indeed ask for that play to be reviewed. So the umpires will get on the horn with the replay operations center in Manhattan and attempt to get a definitive answer on this play. And there are 2 away now.
Batting fourth, no left fielder, Michael Brantley.
Standing in, Michael Brantley, looking to get on base and keep this first inning alive. Here's the first pitch to him. Pulled toward right center field. Kiermaier giving chase. He gets there to make the catch, and that ends the inning. Some more of the colorful characters here at the ballpark tonight. More baseball on MLB Network right after this. Leading off the inning, Ji-Man Choi, and they'll need him to get something going here.
Ji-Man Choi.
Here's the first pitch to him. Ball 1. Now a big fastball, and he's well behind it with the swing. The 1-1 home. Misses low. Good take on the curveball there. Fastball, and looks like they're pinching him a bit here. It's 3-1. Full count now, 3-2.
When you get yourself to a 3-1 count and you get a fastball, those are the ones you really want to punish. Couldn't get the bat on it, so we'll see if that comes back to haunt him.
And that misses for ball 4, so it's a leadoff walk here to start the second. Up next for the Rays, Avisail Garcia. He'll get to take his first cuts here. First pitch fastball swung on and missed 0-1.
Great job of getting back in the zone with a hard fastball after the walk. I think he might have let a little frustration out with that pitch.
And that'll get down for a base hit. And he is in there. And that runner will go no further than second, as there are 2 aboard now.
He doubled up on the heater right there. First one he blew right by him. Second one, timing was on point, and he was able to get a hit.
Into the box now, Brandon Lowe, as he pops the first pitch foul behind the plate. And he's really getting the better of him now. It's strike 2. Choi on second. Garcia on at first with nobody out. And the knuckle curve that time. Got him swinging, and that's the first out.
Batting 7.
So stepping in, Travis d'Arnaud, as he'll look to bring home that tying run from second with a base hit into the outfield. Here's the 0-1. And he just ramps up, and here's the fastball by him. 0-2.
Oh, I love this, boys. Mano y mano. He's coming to get him with back-to-back big-time heaters.
The next 0-2. Popped him up. Gurriel ranging into shallow right, and he tracks it down. A nice running play to record the second out.
Batting in, the center fielder, Kevin Kiermaier.
Stepping up to the plate, Kevin Kiermaier. First delivery to him on the way. A fastball here as he'll take a look at ball 1. 1-0. Good fastball as he gets the swing and a miss. Too high there, and maybe a bit outside as well. 2-1.
Boy, he better get it back together here quick, because he's got 2 guys on already. He's starting to lose location of that strike zone. He's got to throw a strike right here.
And that's in there. Base hit. And a good throw will wind up holding that runner at third, so the bases become loaded now with 2 gone.
The shortstop.
No mistake what he was sitting on. Fastball, middle of the plate, kept his hands back, stayed through the baseball, and delivers a hard hit line drive.
In now, Willy Adames, as the first pitch to him is in there for a called strike 1. He's trying to at least tie this one up here, if not bring home a couple and take over the lead here in the early going. Here's the 1-1. Just behind the fastball there. 2 strikes now.
I never found myself on the mound in the big leagues, but it must be nice.
And we'll have to leave it there, as this is strike 3, and that will retire the side. Rays leave them loaded. They're on the short end of a 1-0 score. At the plate, number 44. He'll get his first shot with the bat here.
The designated hitter, number 44.
First pitch coming. Here it is. First pitch hacking here, and that's the first strike.
Great execution of that changeup right there. Great arm action. Batter was totally out front on that one.
Well, and he's got him in the palm of his hand now. It's 0-2.
Hey, he's going to have to set his sights a little bit more over the heart of the plate. I can't have one of my best left-handed power hitters reaching and taking an ugly swing like that.
Swung on, and he went fishing in the dirt. d'Arnaud gathers it, but it's not in time, and he'll reach first despite going down on strikes. So not the start to the inning he was looking for, as he got the strikeout, but the runner reaches anyway. Next up for the Astros, Carlos Correa, as he'll get his first opportunity in this one. First pitch on its way. 0-1 the count. A runner at first with no outs here. Swing and a miss. It's 0-2. Hoping to send him packing. Pitch on its way. Sent on the ground out to second. The second for 1. On to first to complete the double play.
It's hard to do anything with a pitch like that that's below the zone. And if you do anything with it, most of the time, this will be the result. A double play on a good pitch down in the zone.
Now the Cuban import, Yuli Gurriel, as the first pitch to him is swung on and missed for strike 1. Bases are empty here with 2 men out. High fly ball out to straightaway center. Kiermaier will wait on it as he tucks this one away to retire the side. Astros are down quietly. We played 2 innings. It's 1-0. Coming to the plate now, Yandy Diaz. So far 0 for 1 with a flyout.
Number 2.
He's ready. Here's the first offering.
Diaz.
Lays off 1-0. Diaz stands 6'2" as you see him in the right-handed box. He's a second-year big leaguer. Fastball got him to swing through it. It's 1-1. The 1-1 home. Fouled away. The 1-2. And it's fouled away. Now another 1-2. Swing and a miss as he starts the third the same way he ended the second, with a punch out, 1 away.
This is why it's so hard to be successful as a hitter when you fall behind in the count 1-2. You're probably expecting some sort of off-speed pitches, but when the pitcher offers up a good hard fastball, it's pretty hard to adjust and catch up to it.
Standing in now, Austin Meadows, as he looks at a fastball that's in there for strike 1. Flied out in his first at-bat, so make him 0 for 1 so far. And he gets him to swing through that one. He's in control, 0-2.
That wasn't a terrible pitch right there, but if he's going to execute and get this swing and a miss, he's going to have to get that ball a little bit further down, maybe even potentially bounce the next one.
So it was a strikeout swinging. Austin Meadows goes down for out number 2 in the top half.
Pretty impressive back-to-back strikeouts to start the inning. What's even more important is now he gets to face the middle of the order without anybody on base for them to drive in.
Stepping in now, Tommy Pham. Now here's one hit in the air to the right side. In there, a base hit. And now it'll kick around in the corner. The throw into second, not in time, and he's in there with a double.
Wow, he must be living right because he gets absolutely jammed. Thought we were going to see the bat splintered, but instead he muscles the ball to right for a double. Might get some heckles from his teammates, but no doubt he'll take it.
Ji-Man Choi the next to hit. Back up the middle and in for a base hit. Long throw to the plate. And they're not going to get him. He's in there at the plate.
What a frustrating inning from a pitcher standpoint, D-Roy. You get the first 2 out of the inning. The next guy doubles, and then you give up a 2-out base hit to drive in a run.
Yeah, and you want to talk about on the complete flip side, firing up an offense. You see your 2 boys go down, 2 quick outs. You mix in a gapper right there. Double finds himself on second base, and he's able to come through. Next guy's able to come through with a big 2-out knock.
Avisail Garcia is in with 2 away now as he looks at a called strike 1. All over that one, but a little out in front. Foul ball. Here comes the 0-2 pitch. Hit the other way out toward right field. Reddick has a read on it. Makes the catch, and that'll retire the side. Now at the plate, Robinson Chirinos. He'll match up with Blake Snell now to lead off the inning.
The catcher, Robinson.
Infield in the overshift here. Now the pitch. High and tight with a slider to start him out. It's 1-0.
Finally a take. No, seriously, that's the first pitch they've taken the entire game.
A shot to second base and handled for the first out. One out now in the Houston third, and that brings up the former Gold Glover Josh Reddick. First pitch of the at-bat on its way. A ball and no strikes. And this is a fastball that's right on the black, but ruled a ball. It's 2-0 now. Line drive to left. And that's gets into the outfield for a one-out base hit. Number 9 batter comes through that time, as it'll now be up to the top of the order with one away.
Boy, there's a long drive bullet off the wall right there. But the outfielder does a really good job, Hero, of getting that one quickly and getting it back in to keep him at first for a long single.
Yeah, and also nice job by the base runner not there. Not putting his head down, being over-aggressive and getting thrown out at second base. He saw the play happening in front of him and put the brakes on and got back for a base hit.
Yeah, D-Roll, I think he would have been toast if he tried to stretch that one into a double.
First pitch coming. Here it is. And that's cut on and missed. 0-1.
0-1's the count.
Reddick, base runner at first with one out. Not a bad pitch there with 2 strikes, but it misses 1-2.
Great arm action on that 2-strike changeup right there, but even better job at the plate to take that one.
The 1-2. Swing and a ball hit out toward right center. Kiermaier on the run. He gets there and makes the play for the second out of the inning.
Now batting, the second baseman, Jose Altuve.
Striding in once again, Jose Altuve. 0 for 1 here in the early going. First delivery to him on the way. Swung on and hit pretty well out to deep left field. Not quite out of here. It's off the out-of-town scoreboard. Reddick ignores his coach. He's chugging for home. And a tag him out at the plate. And that will keep our ball game tied as the inning is over. Astros leave 1. We played 3 full. We're tied at 1. Stepping in and ready for another shot, Brandon Lowe.